How to use Best Buy promo codes. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. First up, I'm gonna show you guys how can you get Best Buy promo codes. So over here, you're gonna see the search box. Type in Best Buy promo code and then search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get promo code for Best Buy. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm gonna open this one, Coupon Follow. After you open it, you're gonna find amazing offers and deals for Best Buy. Just scroll down and check out the offers and grab any of the offer that you want to use. Just click on it. With that, you'll get the code for it. Once you get the code, you can copy it. Make sure to check the expiration date of the code, whether it is valid or not. If it is valid, click on Redeem at Best Buy. You will be directed to the official website of it. Once you're on the website, what you have to do is log into your account, make your purchase and post it to checkout. While you're in the checkout page, you'll find the section of codes. Over there, type in the code and confirm your purchase. With that, the code has been redeemed. So this way you can easily use Best Buy promo codes. Likewise, what you can do is head back. You can also give a try to other offers, as in this website you're gonna find tons of offers and deals for Best Buy. So that's a wrap for this video. This is how you can easily use Best Buy promo codes. This was really simple and quick process. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.